high-intensity IED exploded at Telepati River site of Imphal East District last night at around 11:30 p.m. 3 personnel of 120 Battalion BSF were injured during the powerful explosion. The injured were rushed to Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, for medical treatment. Further details are awaited in this regard. Ahead of Moneytech's fair, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur conducted a cleanliness drive today. Textiles Minister T.H. Biswajit attended the event. The cleanliness drive covered Nauremthong till Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Imphal. In support of the Kukumi-led agitation, an auto rickshaw rally was staged at Bishnupur yesterday. The rally was jointly organized by Bishnupur Awang Auto Owners and Drivers Association and Bishnupur Kha Auto Owners and Drivers Association. 5 domesticated ducks were mysteriously found dead at Chikim Bank of Moray yesterday. As per reports, the ducks belonged to proprietor of Evergreen Boarding. The 5 bodies of the ducks were mutilated by some unknown creatures. Further details are awaited. Preparations are on to observe the death anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hajarika in Assam's Hosai. As per reports, the day-long program will be organized on Tuesday next at Bishnupali in Hosai, Assam. The 2-day Shillong Autumn Festival started off yesterday. The festival was organized by Opus Production. The festival is being held at the Water Sports Complex, Orchid Lake Resort in Umiam. The inauguration was marked by spectacular performances from local bands Larger Than 90 and Light After Dark. The festival will conclude today. President Ramnath Kovind is presently on his 2-day visit to Sikkim. The President has received a Guard of Honor from the 17th Battalion of Rajput Regiment under 17th Mountain Division of the Army. He was received at Army Helipad in Libing by Governor Ganga Prasad, Chief Minister Prem Singh Gole, Speaker of Sikkim Legislative Assembly, L.B. Das and other dignitaries. The President visited Lingdam Monastery, Ranka in East Sikkim.